Hey, what's up? This is Khalil Sediqi and welcome to another very exciting tutorial how to create battery motion graphics across a line. So let's start. Guys, this is the battery PNG I have here and import. So select the battery PNG, drop here, and next hold Alt plus Shift on keyboard, change the scale size, and press W for rotate. So guys, and now I need to make position animation. So press P for the position and move the battery down here and rotate a little bit. So and now go to second one, stopwatch, and press R for the rotation stopwatch. Go to second two and make a little bit rotate, then move it up. Press U for the keyframes and select both keyframes, make easy ease. And let's play now. Select both keyframe to make a little bit faster. And go to second two, 10 frames, make a little bit move up and more rotate. So play now. Great. Okay guys. And now time to create line. Close and turn on the lock. Right click, go to create a new solid, and right here, light. Press enter and go to effect, go to video copilot, select the Saber light, and next press F4 and turn on the mode to add. So guys, and now time to mask by using pen tool. The shortcut is G, and start from here. Take a look. One and cross one, and this is about two, and out. So the first cross, second cross, sit like this, and another cross. One, two, three. And now time to control by going to Saber Light, select Saber Light effect control, go to customize core, make layer mask, and control the glow sprayed, control the bias, and control the core. Make little bit sprayed like this. So, and now select again, click here to make little bit smooth. From here, select the game. I need to make space. Make the space like this and change the color to warm light color. So select the light, make animation. So after coming the battery, so go to 2 second 10 frames, take a look, control the size, start, and control the end size, and control the start offset, or going to end offset, stopwatch, go to second 3, 10 frame, or second 3, animate, the end offset, go back to 20 frame 2 seconds, stopwatch and start offset, go to second 3, 15 frames make 100. Take a look. So, and now time to mask to make behind of the battery. So how to do this? Select your light, right click, make a pre-compose, and don't forget, move all attributes. Attributes mean move all your mask, effects, everything to in this composition and go to mode change to add. So the light is coming and crossing this side. The first mask point by pressing M, make subtract. Don't forget by pressing M and N and make a little bit fader like this. Control edit the first cross and make another cross. Select again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a subtract and make a little bit fader. So great. How to solve these points, these shades? Double click, select the light, and go to sprayed. Control the sprayed, control the bias, control the glow, core, turn off, and hold control. The first, second option, first option, make core. Let's see again here. Nice. So guys, and now I need to add, let me control this point, press V or move to make behind of the battery or the cell. Make it behind, great. And select again this point. There. Nice. And now select again the light from here, press Ctrl D for duplicate and change the color to little bit lemon color and go to distortion, go to glow, change to energy, hold control and change the core size, change this one and change 0.02. Make energy like this and change the core distortion to make energy like this. Let's see. Press U and select all the keyframes. So select again. You could and go to change the color. Make another different attractive color. Click OK. Nice work. Go back and press Ctrl D for duplicate again. And change this one is color to another different color like this. Make more energy by going to glow distortion. I need more energy by going to core make more energy like this, you go to final and play again. Nice work. So guys, select the light and go to effects. Well, let's find where is the effects and presets. Click here to write glow. Click here, write glow, and double click and control the glow like this. Nice. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to use a Saber light across the battery for your motion graphic apps or commercial. Have a good time, good luck, all of you.